And meanwhile, Manipur is carrying on a vaccination drive with Gotso against the COVID virus. And today, a mass vaccination drive was organized in the iconic Ema market in Imphal, which saw a good turnout. We have this report.
With COVID-19 still having an impact on Manipur, the state is going on full swing in getting the population vaccinated. Today, one such effort was seen in the state capital, Imphal, when the local authorities organized a mass vaccination program at the iconic Ema market. The 2-day-long vaccination drive began today with many of the market's women vendors turning up to take their jabs. The drive aims to inoculate over 1,000 women vendors who sit in the market. While Imphal and the rest of Manipur continues to see corona curfew, reports are doing the rounds that once the markets reopen, only those who are vaccinated and test negative would be allowed to sit in these markets. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh also visited the Ema market today and took stock of the vaccination drive. While talking to the media, Chief Minister Biren Singh said that the state government is coming up with a 100 crore worth relief package that would cover all the daily wage earners in the state, including the women of Ema market, get a one-time payment of Rs 5,000 as COVID compensation.
Just due to the overcrowded, suddenly people have realizing the importance of the vaccination, and on huge number, the vaccination people are coming up. That's why we're trying to regulate it, and nothing is there. We will continue. That is a purely Chief Minister COVID victims relief fund. Okay, that will be provided to all the daily earners, including the women vendors of the market, for market also, rickshaw driver, auto driver, truck, and the school van driver, who are the daily earners. We are going to provide monetary help of 5,000 each. It will cost around 100 crores. So we have decided to pay it in two terms. One, first installment will be at the last part of the July, and the second will be in the first part of the September.
Also visiting the Ema market today was State BJP President A. Sharda Devi, who welcomed the enthusiasm among the women of Ema market to get vaccinated.
अच्छा, इसी वैक्सीनेशन प्रोग्राम को लेके मैं इमा लोग को मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहती हूँ, आग्रह करना चाहती हूँ कि जितने भी इमा लोग जो है मार्केट में जो अलग अलग लोकल एरिया से आया है, वो लोग मेरा पाभी का भी रोल है उन लोगों के पास। तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहती हूँ कि अपने गांव, अपने विलेज में जो इमा लोग सबको वैक्सीनेशन लेने का जो मैसेज दीजिए, और हमारी ओर से यहाँ से हम सब मिलके सबको मैसेज देना चाह रहे हूँ कि वैक्सीनेशन लेने के बाद हम जो बीमार भी हो सकता है फिर भी हम सेफ होता है। कि सब लोग जो अलग अलग प्रोपेगेंडा सबने भी सुना है कि वैक्सीनेशन लेने के बाद हमारी हेल्थ में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जा सकता है। तो मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि भारत के प्रधानमंत्री ने खुद अपने आप वैक्सीन लेने के बाद सबको लेने के लिए कहा है। तो हम इमा लोग अपने बच्चों के लिए, आने वाली पीढ़ी के लिए हम एक साथ मिलजुल के वैक्सीनेशन लेने का कार्यक्रम हम जगह जगह में शुरू करना चाह रहे हैं।
On the other hand, women vendors of the Ema market also expressed their happiness at getting vaccinated.
इसमें बहुत शुक्रिया अदा कहना चाहती हूँ। क्या है कि सभी लोग डर गया है, क्या है कि जो भी वायरल हो रहा है ना मीडिया में, इसी के दौरान ये वायरस के वैक्सीनेशन करने के बाद क्या रिएक्शन आने वाला है सोचकर सभी डरा हुआ है। लेकिन इसे सब लोगों के लिए एकदम यहाँ इमा मार्केट का इमा लोगों के लिए सब मिलजुल कर यहाँ वैक्सीनेशन करने के लिए अनाउंस किया डीसी की साइड से। बहुत शुक्रिया अदा किया है हम लोग ने। क्या है कि सभी दरवाजा खत्म हो गया, अच्छा हो गया।
Manipur continues to face a rather controlled COVID situation even as the state government takes strong measures to contain the deadly virus. Most recently, a central team visited Imphal and took stock of the COVID scenario in the state and would be submitting a report to the Union Health Ministry today. The state reported 839 fresh COVID-19 cases since yesterday. While 12 COVID-related deaths happened yesterday, 634 patients attained full recovery. And in the midst of all of this, the state government pushes forward with the vaccination drive in the fight against COVID-19. Bureau Report, Northeast Live.